Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your payroll tax account on Queensland OSR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in login.qroonline.treasury.qld.gov.au. Now you can press enter and this will take you into the official website for Queensland Treasury Payroll Tax account. Now from the home page, click on Login to QRO Online and this will take you into the official login portal for Queensland Government Payroll Tax. Now within the email section, type in the email address that you used to sign up and register for your account and type in your account password within the password box. Then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Queensland Government Payroll Tax website right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button to reset your login credentials using your email. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your payroll tax account with Queensland QRO. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.